Alright, this video is for 2019 Ram Laramie Longhorn 1500 series. Putting this wireless one easy mount airlift and the airbags. Airlift 1000 airbags. Show y'all how I did it. This is how it went. So the wireless one compressor and the module, I didn't want to put it right here where it was saying to put it because you got all this stuff in the Ram. I didn't want to put it on this side. I didn't want to be to the exhaust. So you can see, show you where I put mine at. Little idea here. Put mine right here on the bumper support. It was strong enough. I put me a piece of angle iron on the cross members here. So this big angle iron here, the wireless one. I did mine. Anybody can see that I just ran my air line. That's here. Ran it through the frame. Okay. I drilled me a hole here and I ran it through the frame, fished it all the way through to the back of the truck, and I fished it through right here. Okay, then fed them lines to the airbags through the top up there, and then over the frame here where it came out up here. You see up here where it came out to the airbag. Then I teed it off coming from the front through here, teed it off there. See that? And then the one for the passenger side, have it coming through this bed frame all the way through this frame here, coming through and going to the top up there, just like that. Any questions, hit me up. Tell you how I did mine. I'll show you the wiring also, because there was a lot of questions about the wiring. So if you're wondering about the wiring, well, here's the pink wire, the ignition wire. So what I did was pulled it up through there, all of it, and then I got me a pigtail and put it on right here on this fuse, because it was hot only during ignition. Okay, routed it all this way, come down here and went back there. Now my fuse, I put it on this pole. That's a hot pole right here. Okay, and then my ground, I grounded it out to here. And that's how I did mine. Little short video of how I did it, not steps of doing it. Thank y'all.